Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import wallet descriptor in Sparrow Wallet. A wallet descriptor is a structured text string that defines how a Bitcoin wallet is constructed, including its script type like public keys, derivation paths, and sometimes multi-signature rules. Importing a descriptor in Sparrow Wallet allows you to restore a wallet from the descriptor text, create a watch-only wallet, import multi-setups, connect hardware wallet using exported descriptors. So now let's go step by step in a clear and descriptive way. What you can do is first you need to launch your wallet on your PC, and over here from the wallet on the top left corner find to this file here and select to this new wallet. A wallet creation window will open here. What you can do is enter a wallet name, example descriptor wallet, and select to this create here. Now you will now see the wallet settings screen in the top descriptor wallet here. Inside the wallet setup screen, what you can do is you can go under this key store here. Over here you can simply select to this scan here and make sure the hardware wallet USB is connected in, and after that you can paste to your field where you can paste a descriptor. You can copy your wallet descriptor string and then you can import it. Sparrow will automatically detect script type, derivation path, configure wallet structure. That is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to import wallet descriptor in Sparrow Wallet. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.